So let's take a look at how you can attach your earphones to either your Bluetooth module or your wired module. All you need to do is connect them together like this. Take one of the ends and insert it into the gold round piece at the bottom and push until you hear a click. And repeat on the other side. And it's as easy as that. Once they're on, they should spin freely so you can position them in your ears properly. To remove them, all you need to do is pinch right here and they should pop right off. The same can be done on the wired module. Just press and you're done.